Imagine standing at the bottom of the deepest place humans have ever reached. Now, imagine that above your head is so much water that it could crush a submarine like an empty soda can. Sounds impossible, right? Yet humans have actually traveled to a place deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Today, we are going to explore 5 incredible secrets hidden inside the deepest place ever reached by humans, explained in just a few minutes, backed by real scientific expeditions and discoveries that sound more like science fiction than reality. And trust me, the final discovery is the one that shocked even scientists. Let's dive in. Most people think of height when they think about extremes. Mount Everest rises about 8.8 kilometers above sea level, but according to measurements from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the deepest known point in Earth's oceans, the Challenger Deep inside the Mariana Trench, reaches nearly 11 kilometers below sea level. Think about that for a moment. If you could place Mount Everest inside the trench, its summit would still be more than a mile underwater. The Mariana Trench sits in the western Pacific Ocean, where one tectonic plate slowly slides beneath another. For millions of years, this geological process carved a scar into Earth's crust, unlike anything else on the planet. And here's the mind-blowing part. We have better maps of Mars than we do of large portions of our own ocean floor. That's right. Humanity has spent decades exploring space, while vast regions of Earth's oceans remain largely unexplored. The deepest place ever reached by humans isn't on another planet, it's right here on Earth. And what scientists found there only gets stranger. At sea level, the air around you presses with about 1 atmosphere of pressure. At the bottom of Challenger Deep, the pressure exceeds 1,000 atmospheres. According to data collected during deep-sea expeditions, that is roughly equivalent to having dozens of jumbo jets stacked on top of your body. How would you survive something like that? The answer is simple: you don't. At least, not without extraordinary technology. In 1960, Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh became the first humans to reach Challenger Deep aboard the bathyscaphe Trieste. Their descent took nearly 5 hours. As they sank into darkness, the pressure increased relentlessly. Every bolt, every window, every component faced forces that could instantly destroy the vessel. Yet, they made it. And when they finally reached the bottom, they witnessed something unexpected. Life, not just empty mud, not complete darkness. A discovery that completely changed how scientists thought about extreme environments. For decades, scientists believed complex life could not survive under such crushing pressure. Nature disagreed. Modern expeditions using remotely operated vehicles have documented bizarre organisms living in the trench. According to studies published by marine biologists investigating Hadal ecosystems, scientists have found amphipods, sea cucumbers, microbial communities, and other creatures thriving in conditions once considered impossible. But here's the shocking detail. Many of these organisms have evolved unique biological adaptations that prevent their cells from collapsing under immense pressure. Imagine trying to survive at the bottom of a mountain made entirely of water. These creatures do it every second of their lives. No sunlight, near freezing temperatures, extreme pressure, yet evolution found a way. This isn't science fiction. This is biology operating at the absolute limits of life itself. And the deeper scientists looked, the more disturbing the discoveries became. You might expect the deepest place on the planet to be untouched, pristine, protected from humanity. Unfortunately, reality tells a different story. During modern deep-sea research missions, scientists discovered traces of human pollution inside the Mariana Trench. Studies published in marine science journals have documented plastics and industrial contaminants, even in some of Earth's most remote ocean environments. Think about what that means. A location so deep that only a handful of humans have ever visited, and yet our waste got there first. Researchers have even found microplastics inside deep-sea organisms. The same tiny particles found in oceans worldwide have traveled nearly 11 kilometers downward. Have you ever wondered how connected our planet really is? This is your answer. No place is truly isolated. And the final discovery may be the most unsettling of all. Does it feel crazy that humans can leave traces of themselves in places they can barely survive visiting? Just wait until you hear what scientists still don't know about the trench. The greatest secret of the Mariana Trench might not be what we've discovered. It's what we haven't. According to ocean exploration programs supported by NOAA and international research institutions, a large percentage of Earth's ocean floor remains poorly mapped and insufficiently explored. Think about that. We have sent probes beyond the solar system. We have landed robots on Mars. We have photographed distant galaxies, yet enormous regions beneath our oceans remain mysterious. Every expedition into the trench continues to uncover new species, unusual geological formations, and unanswered scientific questions. Some discoveries completely rewrite previous assumptions. Others create brand new mysteries. And perhaps the most incredible fact is this: future explorers may discover things we haven't even imagined yet. The deepest place ever reached by humans is not the end of exploration. It's only the beginning. When you look at all these discoveries together, a fascinating pattern emerges. The Mariana Trench teaches us that the unknown isn't always far away. Sometimes it's hidden beneath our feet, or in this case, beneath nearly 11 kilometers of ocean. It reminds us that life is more resilient than we ever expected, that technology can push the boundaries of what seems possible, and that our understanding of Earth is still incomplete. Human curiosity took us to the bottom of the deepest ocean trench on the planet. And that same curiosity will continue driving us toward the next great discovery. So here's a question for you. If you had the opportunity to descend into the Mariana Trench, would you do it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into one of Earth's greatest mysteries, subscribe to the channel and check out our next video, where we explore another scientific phenomenon that sounds impossible, but is completely real. Thanks for watching. And remember, the greatest mysteries of the universe may be closer than you think.